In this video tutorial, we'll take a look at how you set up your devices. We'll assume you've just downloaded the app and you've already set up the cloud data using your console. And so we're going to look at how to activate your subscription, how to pair your device, and then download the data you want to use on this device. So first, tap the settings in the top left. Then scroll down and tap Activate Subscription. Type in the device ID and license key that you've been issued with. It's important to use a different device ID for each device that you have. Bear in mind, the license key is case sensitive, and sometimes an uppercase I can look like a lowercase l, and the letter O can sometimes be confused with a 0. Then tap Activate. If you're struggling to activate the device with the credentials we've sent through, it's always good to double check the license codes one more time. Check you have an internet connection. Also, it's worth checking your firewall settings, and if you need any help, feel free to get in touch. Okay, so now we need to pair this device with your cloud. Now we've just downloaded this app, and so we know it only has the preloaded data that it comes with, so we can use a quick pair. However, if you need to pair a device that already has some evidence or learners on it that you want to keep, then you'll need to follow the manual pairing process. Take a look at our other video tutorials to learn more about that. So first we need to enable Quick Pair, and to do that we need to log in to the Cloud Admin. So let's tap Cloud Admin in the top right, type in the Cloud Admin password, and then tap Quick Pair Setup. Tap the switch to enable Quick Pair, and then set a passphrase. So we've now enabled Quick Pair for the cloud. So tap the back button in the top left to return to the main settings screen for this device, and then tap Quick Pair this device. The Quick Pair process wipes any local data in the app. It'll warn you of any data it finds, but we know this is the preloaded data that the app is downloaded with. So type in the passphrase, tap Quick Pair, and then confirm. And now we've paired this device with the cloud. So all we need to do now is add the data we need to this device. We can tap on Learners and then tap Add. We can choose to add individual learners, or because we've already set the groups up, we can actually add groups. And this will bring in all the learners for each group. And so if we open up Learners again, we'll see all the learners belonging to the groups we just added. So let's add some frameworks to this device. Again, we tap the Add button. In this case, we'll just add all of these, and they're downloaded. And we can tap on the framework to view it. And now we can continue to add the rest of the data we'd like on this device. So we can add date ranges, tags, and comment templates. And that's it. We're now ready to start capturing evidence. So now you just need to repeat this process for each of your devices, although we've already enabled Quick Pair, so we don't need to do that step again. It's also worth noting that in this case we added all of the data to this device, but actually in some cases you might just want to add certain groups or certain learners to a device, and or certain frameworks and tags. If you'd like to learn more about capturing evidence, working with personalised learning intentions and EHC plans, printed learning journeys or assessment, take a look at the other video tutorials. And as usual, if you need any help, just let us know.